Welcome back to my channel, Hillbillies. You guys are in for a treat today. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna shoot a refrigerator. Come on, follow me, YouTube. Come on, let's go. We're gonna shoot it with all of these weapons, all right? This is a 22 long rifle, 22 Magnum, 9mm, 40 caliber, 380, and a 410 loaded with Hornady Critical Defense rounds. And we'll shoot it with a 12 gauge. The first shot is gonna be a Slug, 1 ounce Slug, and the second shot will be Buckshot. And I got everything labeled over here. Come on, follow me. We ain't got all day. My fans, they got jobs. See, take pictures of that. That's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna see which ones go through and which ones don't. All right, YouTube. We're gonna shoot it from the 7-yard line. This isn't about my marksmanship. This is more about, do these rounds go through a refrigerator? Because you might be in a gunfight in your kitchen. You don't know. Let's do the 22 long rifle first. Y'all ready? All right, that's 3 of those. We'll do 22 Magnum. Oh, shit. It was on safe. Let's take it off safety. All right, we're back on safety. Let's do the 380. Hopefully. We'll be able to tell. Let's do 9mm. Let's do 40 cal. Alright. Let's do the 410. That's at the bottom one, y'all. I'm just gonna do one of these. Ooh, look at those 3, man. That's nice. Nice. All right, red and you dead. The first shot is going to be a Slug, a 1 ounce Slug. Let's go. All righty, let's take a walk to the back and see what happened here. All right, look at this. This right here was the 22 long rifle. So 22 long rifle went through. 22 Magnum made bigger holes and looks like they went through. 380. 380. What is this right here? That was the 410 Hornady Critical Defenses. Looks like 2 did not go through. 1 did go through. Of course, the Slug from the 12 gauge went right through. And some of the Buckshot was over here. And some of the Buckshot went through, some didn't go through. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel. I hope we all learned something today.